Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in a weekend edition of Saturday Sunday, November the 2nd, November the 3rd, 2024. It's actually today Sunday. You can hear the bells of the church. Yeah. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku. This one I'm looking forward to solve this one. This one has 9 printed digits. Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese Suguru. Last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. In the evening, as promised, the Samurai Sudoku. Alright. This one will be number 9525. 9525. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 31. Yeah. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 31. 6 digits more. Well. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 30 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 0 stars or 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. We have here 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes, and there. Here also 2 missing numbers. In the middle row, 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Well. Okay. Need 8 here. We have a pair. The 3 and 8 in this row. The 3 and 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left of 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. 6, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have 6 and 8 in this column, no 6 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 4, 9. 1, 4, 9. Okay, 1, 4, 9. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Well, 6, we need a 6 here also, need a 7 here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, on that column, the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. 3, 3, need a 1 here. 1 and need a 7, 1 and 7. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7. Need a 7 there. 7, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 257. 257, 257, 257. And look, we have 2 and a 7 in the last column. No 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as appear. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square. For number 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column 3. The only place left for 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this middle row for number 9 then. 1. Yep. And I believe we... No. 6... Yeah. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then how about these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 1, 4, 9. Okay. Well. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. How about 1? Need a 1 here. Okay. About these 3 missing numbers in this big square, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7. 6, 7, 1, okay. Well. 4, 4. Need a 4 here or there. I'm thinking. Come on. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 7 here, okay. Complicated. 2, need a 2 there. I need a 2 here, yeah. We have a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 2 in that column. So the column 3, in the middle column, the only 3 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 in the third row, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. Thinking. Need a 4. Yeah. Need a 6 there, okay. How about? Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Yep. In this big square, we need a 5. Here can be 5 because we have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in the second row, no 5 in there. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. We need here 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. Well, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the row below, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. So 2 and a 4 on the left. Our left, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 1, 4, 9. Okay. Now, let me see. 1, 4, 9. Yeah. No 9 here. Need a 9 here. Come on. 7 and the 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 4. No. 4 missing numbers. Yeah. 169. I'm thinking. Come on. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. Could be the 9. And could be the... Need a 3 here. 3. Need a 3 there. Yeah. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 1. 2. Well, in this big square, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the 4, we have a 2 now in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the only place left for the 4 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. Do we have all the 4s? Yeah. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. How about the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Then see 9 and 5. 1 and 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes and there. Okay, 12 minutes already passed. It's chilly here. Yeah. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So first row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. I believe the 6 is missing here. We already have a 7. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9, we have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes and there. 1 box left now in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 7 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, same numbers, 5 and 9, we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, 5 goes there, finish in 14 minutes, well. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1, but also not a 0. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm not faster than 30 minutes, but faster than 50 minutes. Maybe I talk too much in the beginning, but let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.